Now for these questions, we need to multiply a single digit number and a multiple of 100, so a number that ends in 2 zeros. First, we have 3 times 300. That's 900 because 3 times 3 is 9, so we can multiply the non-zero digits in our question, but then because we have 2 end zeros in a multiplication question, we need 2 end zeros in our answer. So now let's try 500 times 5. Our answer is 2500 because if we multiply the digits that are not 0, 5 times 5 is 25, but then because we have 2 end zeros in the question, we need 2 end zeros in our answer. And now 8 times 800 is 6400. That's because 8 times 8 is 64, and then if we have 2 end zeros in a multiplication question, we always need 2 end zeros in our answer. Now to see why this works, remember 300 is the same as 3 times 100. So instead of working out 3 times 300, what we're really doing is working out 3 times 3 and then multiplying our answer by 100. So 3 times 3 is 9, and then to multiply by 100, we can put 2 zeros on the end, because what's really happening is that the digit moves 2 place values to the left, and now to show that it's in our hundreds column, we need zeros in our tens and ones. Now 500 is 5 times 100, but we can multiply in any order. So first we can work out 5 times 5, that's 25, and then we can multiply by 100 by moving the digits 2 squares or 2 place values to the left and writing zeros in our empty place values. And that's why we can multiply the non-zero digits in the question and then put 2 zeros on the end of our answer. Now we had 8 times 800. 800 is the same as 8 times 100. So we could do 8 times 8 first to get 64, and then we could put 2 zeros on the end because multiplying by 100 moves the digits 2 place values to the left.